Holy
Shell.
Cheers.
So we're off from the campsite. We're on Island Lake, and today we've got several lakes to go through with just small river connected pieces, so it's mostly going to be a lake day. I think after Island Lake there is Spider Lake and then Rest Lake, and then we got to do a portage at the dam on Rest Lake. So heads up, you got a fast mover coming right at you. Morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Like many a day up here. Ooh, those ducks? Mergansers? Yeah, it looks like a whole bunch of mergansers right out in front of us. Okay, where'd they all go? They all dive at once? Oh yeah, they did. So through this channel is Rest Lake, which is the last lake that we'll go through today. So we'll go across Rest to the dam, and then there's a little park there and a place where we can get out and portage. And then I think it's 1.8 miles from the dam back to just past US 51 and where the car's parked. Yeah, it's just too many boats this way. I'm glad we're not doing this trip during the summer season, or especially on some of these crazy holiday weekends. This would suck, having to traverse these lakes with these boats just flying around everywhere on them. Even today, it's already been a pretty big pain in the butt. I mean, some people are very respectful and slow down as they go by you. There's been a couple of people that just, they think, oh, well, we're far enough across the lake, we'll just tear over here, not realizing that those waves from that lake just build the further across the lake they get. So I've had 2 boats today that I thought were going to take me out. So we've been on the water just shy of 2 hours. I think we'll be just a little bit over 2 hours by the time we hit the portage. I think we'll be off the water and to the car before noon. I want like a big, juicy burger with some French fries or onion rings. I don't know. Need some water, but beer or a mixed drink would be good. And we'll see. Could always go with the go-to Wisconsin drink of brandy old fashioned. Your choice. Sweet or sour. Look at these guys, like a couple of teenagers. Getting off the water while staring at their phones. The Frank B. Kohler Memorial Park in Manitowish waters.
Too bad, huh?
Oh,
You alright?
you didn't. You don't have everything all the way over on the other side already, so. Knock me right over. So, these logs are moving. Lots and lots and lots of logs down here underneath us. Holy cow. Hey, there's even piers out here, so watch out. got piers sticking up just below surface level. Sure, they're for an old train bridge, or maybe a car bridge, or maybe both. I'm getting close. After the portage, it's 11 o'clock. So we're 2.5 hours in. I doubt 30 minutes to the takeout. So remember, after we cross the highway, it's on your left as you curve back to the left, but don't go under the steel bridge. You've gone too far if you get all the way to the steel bridge. But you should be able to see the steel bridge where we get off at. So.
My phone died, so I have no idea where we are.
Well, we're on a river now, so
Are we?
none of these lakes and bays and all that to confuse you. I wish this was flowing a little bit more like the river was yesterday. Yeah. I was kind of hoping we could go for a little bit more of just a straight float on this side.
I didn't see that opening.
Jeez. So this is US Highway 51. We're gonna cross under it and then go just around the bend here and then get out. And that'll be the end of the... I wish I could always remember what these are off the top of my head. Section 3, Canoe Trail 3, Canoe... whatever. This will be the end of 3. Well, it sounds like we've made it.
Take that.
You want to get out, or you want me to pull you in?
Nah, let me just get closer to the shore.
Want me to